When I started this journey, I heard clearly from my team that they were hoping I won't get married in 3D. But in my previous videos, I already told you that I started this journey year 2022 with a meeting of the twin flame. That was this journey. This twin flame thing was introduced to me on November 2021, and then I was researching on it because I didn't have a clue what was it. And then I actually started this in 2022 when I started taking the hard path, that is year 2022. And then at the same time, I overheard my team telling me specifically that I hope she won't get married in 3D. And then the journey is about twin flame. At that time, it's a huge puzzle in my heart and in my mind, because I was told I need to meet my twin flame, and then they hope I won't get married in 3D. What was this all about? But because my team is Archangel Michael, Yeshua, the Lion Man King of Lyra, my higher self, of course, I trust 1001%. And then meeting this twin flame is just a journey. It's just part of the job. It's just part of the journey. We never met in physical. It was just an online job, and I'm grateful for that. And I don't want to reveal the other details because this is not yet done. So I'll keep a little more detail why I needed to meet this person. There is a reason. But to cut the story short, I got married in 70 few months ago. And during this marriage, I was looking for Archangel Michael and the Lion Man King of Lyra, because it was just my star family who were there. Alright, the star family I was referring to is the family of Yeshua. I belong to their lineage. Now, because of this, I was searching for these two beings and realized that the Lion Man King of Lyra and the essence of Archangel Michael merged together. I found this out in my notes a few days ago. And then that's the being I married to on October 17, 2023. Alright. What happened about the human counterpart? This person was actually having a cycle with me in Andromeda. The planet name is Ametir. I went there and I was introduced that this person is connected to you after the war, after the diaspora or dispersion, because of the Lyran war in the ancient past, because of the dispersion. And then we end up in Andromeda, and that planet is Ametir, and we had a lifetime together there with this person, and that cycle is closed because he himself is in a karmic cycle. Alright? Why is it that every male is in a karmic cycle? Every male involved to me is in a karmic cycle, because that is what the darkness is doing, to make me lonely, to make me sad, to make me devastated emotionally by not having any man in my life to marry me. Alright? This is the plan. They want me to be alone and lonely and childless. Alright? But I have a child. I married Richard. Richard loved me. So that's already defeated. And another thing to prepare this, because I won't be having any divine masculine, because that's the one they're attacking. So what happened is I got married ahead of time. And lately, after my 3 consecutive nights with Source, that is actually 2 hours per night, my divine counterpart met me and brought me to our home telling me that never mind the karmics, he's referring to the karmics, and everyone that fell to the karmic cycle. Because I already saw the whirlwind when he said this. He said, never mind them, let them talk, because you won't be needing them. This summarize to the whole thing I heard, that they hope I will never get married in 3D. And I'm glad, karmics, that you did a plan. Thank you. You even made my life better. Thank you for devising the plan of making me lonely, because the divine put it on the other way. Remember, time in the higher realms is not linear. If you don't know, here is my example. Imagine this is the earth. I am here standing. At the back of me is my past. In front of me is my future. I am standing in 3D earth. If I'm standing in the higher dimension, I am looking at everything down the 3D. This is what happened. That is why the higher realms already made a solution before I started my journey. There was already a solution. I am married in the higher realms. I am happily married in the higher realms. I was protected. I was tested at first. They test my faithfulness. Now it's clear. I won't be needing any of the human masculines. No hard feelings, but thank you so much. My life is better. I had it better this time. Thank you. It's clear in my mind. There are things that are still developing, but my path is quite clear. Thank you so much. Karmics, I have no hard feelings for you. But there is none of you who will be with me. None. Karmic masculines, none of you who will be with me. I won't be picking anyone. Even if you are proclaimed to me that you have come out of being a karmic, I won't be picking anyone, because only the divine can change what I have said, that it's a no to all of the 3D masculines. If the divine will twist that, then I will. But I must hear it from them, not from a tarot reader. I must hear it from them, because I have direct connections with them. They're my friends. They are my friends. If there is something I need to know, they will tell me. Not from any of the tarot reader. Alright?